Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. I just purchased some really nice equipment. We were in here a couple days ago and cleaned out a bunch of the small stuff, but we've still got the big stuff that needs to be taken out. Pretty excited. It's all really nice stuff. Been well cared for. The gentleman was a gunsmith and very proud of his tools and took really good care of them. The only catch is where they're located. So we got to go through this doorway, through this room, and out this door. And eventually onto that truck. So I'll kind of give you some updates as we go along. Okay, so we got the table off. We got it rolled out of the room, going through the door on a couple pieces of pipe that hopefully will let us clear the threshold. Okay, so it's just barely fitting, but we're gonna get it. Well, we got it out. So the next one is going to be the Clausing 5900 lathe. This is the next guy on the menu. Okay, so we got it pulled out away from the corner. Well, we're going to make it a straight run right to the door. All right, halfway through. Some pizza. All right, so this is the 5900 lathe coming through the doorway. Okay, got the small lathe and the horizontal mill out. Now I'm going to put the lathe up onto the truck with the crane. So got the Clausing loaded. He's going to have to stay here tonight. Come back with the forklift a little bit later. So we got the Bridgeport clone out of the corner. We had to take the table off. And we've rolled her out of the small room into the middle room. Got her on some big pipes. Just a little bit further. We got the lathe pulled out away from the wall. We put it up on some machinery skates, but it's still really heavy. And it's rolling across this tile floor. So we're using the winch to help us drag it a little bit. Which seems to be going pretty good. Watching, Andrew? Nice and slow though. Once we got out onto the better tile, we were able to just push it. So we've cleared the threshold with the front, and now we got to move the skates around to the front side so she'll fit out. It's out. So now we're going to bring a forklift and put the lathe and the two mills on the forklift. We got some work to clean up around here today yet, and some tooling to get out yet. But the hard part's done. Got to put the taper attachment back on the lathe. Looks a little different. Here's a big steady rest on that jet lathe. And I didn't notice this before, but here's all his drawings and everything for when he built that. I'm gonna grab those too. Well, it's loadout day today. Got 3 machines to pick up and haul home. My friend Gary brought my forklift and big trailer, so he's gonna haul the lathe and I'm gonna haul the 2 mills. Well, we got it all loaded up. So now we're gonna head back to Ottawa with it.